Guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix Roblox launching experience problem. So if you are new to in our channel, so make sure you subscribe our channel for more and more interesting videos. So many users face this problem in Roblox, so I will tell you how to fix this problem in Roblox. So let's start this video. First of all, I will open my browser and I will tell you why this problem faced by many users. So the reason of this, when there are many unsuccessful tries to launch a game, then this problem faced by many users. So you need to check your proxy setting in the Roblox device in which you play Roblox. So go to setting of your device and go to setting, and then there go to proxy setting and turn on the proxy setting and fix this and set a new proxy setting there with a valid proxy name, and you can use any proxy from internet. And to fix this problem, there are second method to fix this problem is to reset your internet option. So how to reset your internet option is click the gear shaped from the top corner the select internet options. So after selecting this, switch to advanced tab and then click on reset. After you click on the reset, the option of delete personal appear and click on it, and after you click on delete personal setting, then click reset. So after using this, to restart your PC, and after restarting PC, wait 5 minutes and try again, your problem will be solved. So thank you guys for watching and keep supporting our channel.